Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to tell you about the angle in clock. About this case, about this diagram, you will see that you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, 12 hours. 2 revolutions for one day. And you got here is the hour hand and here is the minute hand. For this diagram, they make a 90 degree. So this one or this clock, you will have 90 degree between the minute hand and the hour hand. And I want to tell you more about this one because you will got here this side and this side is 90 degree. So when I connect 10 for the center of the circle and I'm got 11 to the center of the circle, I will make more 3 angles. The first angle is this one, the second one is here, and the third one is here. And here are the equivalent angle. You got here is x, you got here is x, and you got also here is x. And then I got the expression between this case, x plus x plus x equal to 90 degree. So 3x will be 90 degree, and then you got x equal to 30 degree. X equal to 30 degree. Yeah. So for the x number here, 11 to 12, you will have 30 degree. To 10 and 11, you got 30 degree. From 9 to 10, you got 30 degree. Yeah, that is not too difficult, right? The same thing for another case. For this case, you got here is 12 and here is 3. Here is 12 and here is 3. And I have this one is 90 degree. From 1 here, I'm connect to the center of the circle. From 2 here, I'm got here is connected with the center of the circle. And then I'm got this one is an angle, and here is the angle, and here is the angle. They are equivalent. So here is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree, and this one is 30 degree. Yeah, that's it. So you can understand this one. You can understand this case, and you also understand about for this one. Yeah, I have another question a little bit harder. So what is the angle between this diagram? 6 to 7. You can understand that this is also be equal to 30 degree, right? How about 7 to 8? 7 to 8, what is this angle? Yeah, 30 degree. So what is the angle between 3 and 4? This one is 30 degree. And how about the angle between 1 and 2? You got 30 degree also. Yeah, a little bit harder. A little bit harder. How about you got this case and for this one? From 12 to 2. From 12 to 2, you can see here I'm got 1 in the middle. And if I'm got the bisector like this, you can understand now. From 12 to 2, you got 2 times of 30 degree. 2 times of 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this one is 30 degree. And how about for this case, 4 and 8. So what is the angle for here? Yep, I will imagine that you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will got 4 times of 30 degree. This one is 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, and 30 degree. So for this case, 4 and 8, you got 30 degree multiplied by 5, you will have 120 degree. 120 degree. Okay, so how about the other case? You got this diagram, 12 and 7. I want to calculate the angle of this one. Okay, so I can understand quite very easy. From 12 to 3, I've got 90 degree. From 3 to 6, I've got 90 degree one more time. And for this case, it's very easy for you now. This is 30 degree. So that's why I've got 90 degree, 90 degree, and 30 degree in the last one. And then I've got 210. Will be the angle of this hour. One more thing I want to tell you about the degree of the clock. You got this one is 30 degree, right? And how about minutes? How about minutes? From 12 to 1 in this case, you will have 5 minutes. For here, you will got 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, let me count again for you more clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for 1 here is mean the hour, but when you want to calculate the minutes, you have to using this signal. Yeah. So total of this equal to 30 degree. And if I connect this with the center of the circle, this one is the center of the circle, same thing for here and same thing for here. I have a question. What is the decrease? What is the measurement of this angle? You got this one equal to this one, equal to here, equal to this one, and equal to this one. So 30 degree here will be divided by 5 angles. Will be divided by 5 angles. It means 6 degree. I mean 1 minute will corresponding to the 6 degree, because here is the 30 degree for all, and I want to divide this one by minutes. It means I got 5 minutes. I got 5 minutes. It means I have 5 angles, smaller angle. So 30 degree divided by 5, you got 6. And about the hour, you got from here, and this one will be equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree will be corresponding to the 1 hour. But for minutes, you got 6 degree, only 6 degree. Yeah, okay. So let me make it more clearly about 2 and 3. About 2 and 3, you got here is a 3 hour, and this one is 2 hour. You got the total of 2 and 3, one angle of 30 degree. One angle of 30 degree. So here is 30 degree. And from 2 and 3, I want to divide by minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. Yeah, this one is 5. So I'm connect this side with the connected to the center. The same thing for this one. Same thing for this one, and the last one will be here. I got the 5 signal. I got the 5 angle. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one equal together. Here is 8. Here is 8. This one 8. This one 8. And this is 1 8. 5 8 will be equal to 30 degree. So 1 8 will be 30 degree divided by 5. That's why you got 6 degree for each minute in here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can understand about the angle in the cloud. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.